Hello friends, in this short and quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the task manager has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop and you are trying to open task manager, so you are getting this error. So to resolve this issue, click on start. In here you need to type edit group policy. Open edit group policy. Now expand in this left side panel, last one, administrative templates. Now expand system. Here double click on Control plus Alt plus delete options. Now here double click on task manager. Here you will see enabled, so just you need to select not configured. Select this first option, not configured, then apply, then OK. Close it and restart your PC. So friends, by these simple steps we can fix task manager error. Now you will try to open task manager, so you can easily access task manager. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.